Welcome everyone. Today we will be getting know what is LeetCode and how to use LeetCode. So first of all, we have to head over to the leetcode.com. Okay, so if you haven't created your account on LeetCode, then first go on create your account and then create your account. And if you have created that account, then you can head over to the sign in. Then sign into the LeetCode. Okay, so what is LeetCode? LeetCode is basically a platform on which you can get all the previous interviews questions asked in Amazon, Google, Adobe, and all these tech giants. And you can also practice your DSA and algorithm skills here. Okay, so we will get to know the LeetCode more precisely. So first of all, we will see this option, which is our profile. So yes, so what is profile? Here it will show all of our data, means our LinkedIn profile and where we work, where we study. Okay, so this is another section. So contest rating. So LeetCode has its two contests. One contest is a weekly contest and another is bi-weekly contest. So weekly contest happens every week and bi-weekly happens every 2 weeks, as the name suggests. This another one is a problem solved. So LeetCode has so many problems. You can see over here it has 514 easy problems, 1047 medium problems and 421 hard problems. So it will show that how many easy problems you have solved, how many medium problems you have solved, and how many hard problems you have solved. And this is your acceptance rate. Means if you have submitted 100 submissions, then 70 of your submissions are correct. Okay, so this section of badges is the most important one. So LeetCode has a challenge for all of us, for everyone, is named as month and LeetCode challenge. So this is August, so it has August LeetCode challenge. So what is that August LeetCode challenge? We will see that. Okay, so what LeetCode does, it gives 30 questions if the month is of 30 days, and if the month is of 31 days, then it will give 31 questions. So daily one question. Okay, so what LeetCode does, it gives you daily one question to solve. You have to solve that question every day. Means see, here you can see a question, verify pre-order serialization. Okay, sorry. So this was verify pre-order serialization of a binary tree. This is a question which has been given for the date of 26th August. So likewise, there was making a large island on first, then on second it was twosome, on third it was subset 2. So like this, LeetCode will give each day every question and you have to solve that question on that particular day. Okay, so today is 26th, so this question has come and on today only you have to solve this question. If you didn't solve it, then that question will go and another question of 27th will come. And if you solve this question tomorrow, then you won't get that mark or you can't complete the monthly challenge. For completing a monthly challenge successfully, what you have to do, you have to solve the questions from the first till the 31st, and this question you have to solve, not these all. This question you have to solve. If you successfully solve this question on a particular day, then it will get count to your monthly challenge. Everyone knows Snapchat streaks, so like that it is. So if you did not send any snap to anyone, then your streak will break. So likewise, if you didn't solve a particular question on that day, then you can't complete this monthly challenge. It will go on waste. Okay, so you have to do this challenge the next month from the very beginning. Okay, so this was about monthly challenge. Now I will show you how to how to fill any answer to this question. Okay, means how to solve the questions. Now we have to click over here. It will take us to the question and the compiler, an online compiler. So this is the question. It is a binary tree question, and these are the input, means example inputs. If this is the input, this should be the output. If this is the input, this should be the output, and this is the question. So you have to read the question, you have to find a logic, you have to build a logic, you have to build your answer, and then you have to come this compiler. So what is this code snippet says? So this is a function called isValidSerialization. So this function gives you one value, pre-order. So what is this pre-order? This is a string which is a input. So this string is an input, and you have to write your code using this pre-order. Okay, so I'll show you an example. Okay, so this was my solution to this question, and now what we will do, we will run this code and we will see if it is correct or not. Okay, so we will run a code. Okay, the run code status is finished, and this was the input. It will take automatically first example as an input. So this was the first example, so it has taken that example as an input. So our answer, this code has given us the answer as true. The expected answer was also a true. Okay, so now our code has run successfully. Now we will try to submit it, and we will check if this is correct or not. We got after running we got the correct answer, but after submission, if we get or not, we will see that. So I will submit this code. And yes, our solution has got accepted. Okay, so our challenge for the 26th has been completed. So we can see it here. See this mark status. It means our challenge for today has completed, and we have solved this question successfully. And here also it will show, as I did not solve these questions, so it is showing a red dot, and I have solved these questions. So if I solve now also, if I solve these questions, then I won't get that mark. But if I solve this on this day, this on that day, then only I'll get the mark. Okay, so I hope you all understand how to add solutions, how to solve problems, and what exactly monthly challenge is. So hope you liked it. Thank you.